Nothing feels more refreshing than taking a dip in crystal clear, refreshing, cool water. But maintaining the pool water can be challenging, and JNW knows a thing or two about the importance of a balanced pH level, the delicate balance between the water's acidity and the alkaline levels. You'll notice immediately that the JNW high-quality test strip saturation and the accompanying bottle color graduations are incredibly precise and easy to compare. You'll only see the exact water quality results of every parameter. No confusion, no color bleeding. When those levels become unbalanced, then the chlorine used to clean the pool water is worthless, turning the pool into a breeding ground for salmonella and E. coli and nasty viruses, leading to diarrhea and swimmer's ear. To avoid these unhealthy inconveniences, JNW Pool and Spa Test Strips Kit tests for 7 parameters, including water hardness, pH, acidic stability, overall alkalinity, total chlorine percentage and bromine, a chlorine alternative, and algae killer. The pros are, company focuses exclusively on test strips, the best option for pool testing, guaranteed real-time results. The cons are, test strips have a limited shelf life,